Alrighty. Alright, so my name's Drew Parent, and I'm doing exit ticket number 2, and I'll be reflecting on weeks 5 to 7. So, why do we ask students to do project works and create productions? Well, first, it provides opportunities for students to collaborate. It also teaches problem solving skills and also critical thinking skills. You also learn how to manage your time, and essentially, one of the most important things is you learn from failure and trial of error, which can be very vital and very important to like your future self and even yourself now. How does it reflect on their learning? It improves student motivation and allows a child to demonstrate his or her capabilities while working independently, and they're more likely to develop a growth mindset. So, what student production tasks do you think you will benefit? You think will benefit your future students? Uh, I would use a wide variety. Like I intend to go into social studies or history, so I'll obviously have tests for every unit, maybe a quiz or two in between the tests. And then I would like to have a midterm just to basically get a feel so students know where they need to be or where they should be. And lastly, I think finals would be a great way to assess their overall knowledge on the semester or the year. I think group projects are can be really important and really useful, and as long as independent projects. I also think essays could be really helpful. But this essays are mainly, I would say, for like classes like English, obviously, and you could have essays for like social studies or history. And Socratic seminars, this was something I always loved doing when I was growing up because I thought I liked talking and especially having like academic conversations about certain content we were going over in class. I thought that was really engaging. And what are your ideas for implementation of maker spaces in your future school and in particular your future classroom? So I think maker spaces are effective for students, and like teachers should find a way to incorporate it into their teaching. They provide creative ways for students to enhance learning, and they also expose students to new opportunities that they may not have had before or had at home. So, corner my room, for example, will be utilized as a makerspace area, and I believe that makerspace areas are very effective because they offer students an engaging and creative way of learning. In the future, my makerspace will be located in the corner of my room, and it will have computers and tablets, and also virtual reality goggles. These goggles, virtual reality goggles, I first tried them this semester, and I never thought about like the benefits of them. But after trying it, I really thought it was cool to be able to like see what another part of the world looks like through these goggles, and they just looked really realistic. And basically, makerspaces also allow students to take a break from stressful situations and offer them a unique and entertaining way of learning, which I feel like is a great thing to do. And what is the role of student assessment or assessment? So basically, like tests and stuff. They assess knowledge and what you know on the material. They motivate students, which encourage them to study and comprehend this material in a way that they can successfully show it. And it provides an opportunity for feedback, and it also allows teachers to measure how effective their teaching is. So, how can we achieve student centered assessment? We can encourage student collaboration, provide different project, classroom, and homework assignments, uh, allow students to design their own seating arrangements, and encourage student reflection, and also allow students a few minutes of downtime. So, I think, looking at this list, I think providing students with different projects or like homework assignments can be really beneficial because if you give them an option of do like 5 or 6 different assignments, it allows them to try different things and ultimately pick which one they feel the most comfortable in. And all those different assignments still serve the same purpose. So that it'll be really like beneficial for students to have that option. And how do you think teachers can help close a digital divide? They can just help provide access to like technology or internet, whether that's providing students with basic library information like location, the certain policies and hours, uh, or they could offer office hours to students, which like either 3 times a week or every day, however the teacher wants to offer it. Basically, just give them an opportunity where students can come in and use the internet and technology. So, what do you think you will be doing in the future to end the digital divide? In the future, as an educator, I will make sure that my students are aware of all the locations where Wi-Fi and technology are able to be used for free. This will allow students to complete work and stay on course with the rest of the class. I'll also offer like office hours every day so that students that don't have internet or technology access will be able to have a place where they can ask questions, complete work. These office hours will be open to anyone in my class and doesn't limit them to only working on my material. In these office hours, they can complete any work that is needed to be done. And I think just giving students a place to complete work outside of the home can be very beneficial to them. And overall, in these past couple weeks, I've noticed that I've become more aware of how to be a better teacher and the importance of technology in the classroom. This class has taught me stuff that I haven't been exposed to yet, and I'm excited to see where the remainder of the semester has to offer. And thank you.